हे माधव, हे मधुसूदन, दामोदर, हे मुरलीधर, मनमोहन, हे यदुनंदन, दीनावन भव भयभंजन. Thank you. Aishwarya, I'm going to sing once the whole bhajan and then we'll break it and then go line by line, okay?
Sure, Auntie.
If you have a phone or somewhere you can go, I'm singing in A Madhyamam. If you can pull it on at your end, that would be helpful.
Sure, Auntie, I'll play it.
हे माधव, हे मधुसूदना, दामोदरा, हे मुरलीधरा, हे माधव, हे मधुसूदना, मनमोहना, हे यदुनंदना, मनमोहना, हे यदुनंदना, दीनावना भव भयभंजना, दीनावना भव भयभंजना. That's it. It's not a big bhajan. So हे माधव,
हे माधव, हे
मधुसूदना,
मधुसूदना,
हे माधव, हे मधुसूदना,
हे माधव, हे मधुसूदना,
दामोदरा, हे
दामोदरा, हे
मुरलीधरा,
मुरलीधरा,
दामोदरा, हे
दामोदरा, हे
मुरलीधरा,
मुरलीधरा,
हे माधव, हे मधुसूदना,
हे माधव, हे मधुसूदना,
मनमोहना, हे
मनमोहना, हे
यदुनंदना,
यदुनंदना.
Ishu, I think your Shruti is a little too close to the mic. It's coming a little louder. So
Is
move
this
it.
fine, Auntie?
As far as you can hear, that's good.
Okay, Auntie.
Okay. मनमोहना, हे
मनमोहना, हे
यदुनंदना,
यदुनंदना,
मनमोहना, हे यदुनंदना,
मनमोहना, हे यदुनंदना,
दीनावना,
दीनावना,
भव भयभंजना,
भव भयभंजना.
all those bhas are hard ones. So you have to say it's like a, if you truly translate it, should be like a B-A-H. Even though we write B-H-A, so bha. Bhava bhaya bhanjana.
भव भयभंजना.
Very good. I'm going to give you one more tip. Not that you are not doing it. It may be helpful. So whenever there is a vowel sound, open the mouth and go with a the vowel sound. So use it to your advantage. Like Hey Madhava. If you open up for the vowel sound, it won't strain the throat.
Okay,
So
auntie.
Hey Madhava. That makes it easier, in my opinion. So
Okay, auntie.
can we go through that? You
Mhm.
want me to still split? I don't mind. You want to
You
get the
can
tune, or you
you
want
can
me to
sing
sing the
the
each line?
you can sing the whole line, auntie.
Whole line? Okay. हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
See, so much, so much. Do you feel the difference?
Yes, auntie.
Same thing. Damodar, okay? Damodara he Muralidhara.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
So first Damodara, it's not hard one,
Okay.
a simple one. And then I want to go over Muralidhara.
मुरलीधरा.
Good. So whatever volume, whatever you're starting, beginning of the line, it should carry through until the end of the note. There's no fading out at the end. So, Damodara he Muralidhara.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना.
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना.
So if you feel like it's running out of air, there's no breath support towards the end, breathe in between so you'll have that breath support.
Okay.
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना.
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना.
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना.
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना.
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना.
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना.
Good. One more time. हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा.
माधवा हे मधुसूदना.
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
Very nice.
Thank
You
you.
listened and you followed. Beautiful. You want to sing by yourself each
Sure.
line once? Are you up to
Sure.
it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can you start the beginning?
Okay. You want me to follow? I don't have to follow. You can sing each line once if you want it.
You
It's
can
up to you.
follow, Auntie.
You want me to follow? Okay. He Madhava,
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
हे Madhava, he Madhusudana,
दामोदरा हे मुरलीधरा
Damodara, he Muralidhara,
हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना
हे Madhava, he Madhusudana,
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना
दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना. Beautiful. I'm so proud of you. You never heard this bhajan, and then twice repeating, you got the tune.
Thank you
Good
so
job.
much, Auntie. Thank
Yeah.
you.